Hi, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this pump from PUMPMAN. This is a heavy-duty automotive paint corrosion-resistant pump that you can use for a well pump or just as a water extraction pump. It will pull water from up to 26 feet. It has a max head of 148 feet. This thing is a 1 horsepower, 980 gallons per hour pump. It plugs into a standard 110 volt outlet and runs on 60 hertz. Let's just see what's in the box. Inside the box, you've got your shallow well jet pump instruction guide. Upon opening the box, everything seems to be packaged really well with this foam, so nothing's going to be shifting around in here. You got some various adapters. They provide you with some threaded tape, which is great, so you don't have to go out and get that on your own. That's for connecting the pipes together, which is a nice thing that they included that. You've got your cord. This is a heavy-duty, heavy-gauge cable here. Looks very nice. I'm going to pull this out here. This is going to reveal your pump. The pump itself weighs about 26 pounds, so this is a heavy pump. This is a big guy. So this is the actual pump unit. You're going to have your water inlets and outlets, which we're going to be able to go on and attach that stuff on there. So on here you've got your input right here. It's a 1-inch opening, and your output is also a standard 1-inch opening that you can put hard pipe with if you're going to be piping this in for a well pump. If you're going to be using this to water a garden and just need to be pulling from, say, a pond or like something like we're going to do, or perhaps even drain a pool, something like that, it does come with these adapters. And with these adapters, you're going to put this threaded tape on the bottom that they provide. So that's what this is here. So you're just going to simply put this on, and we're going to wrap that around like this. You're going to wrap it around several times to give it a little bit of a extra girth on the bottom of this. That's going to create a watertight seal when we go to tighten this down. Then you're going to simply put these in, and we're going to thread these in here. And what that's going to do is it's going to reduce this down to where you can attach a standard garden hose onto here or onto here so that you can pump it further, or using something a little more convenient. All right, we've got our pump set out here. Now, this can be used as a well pump. You can use it to pull water from a pond or another outlying area. You can use it as a booster pump. One of the things you're going to need to do is either have some pipe or hoses. Again, since we've attached those on there, I'm going to go ahead and attach these hoses onto here. So we can go and put our intake hose on here. And we're going to put that into our supply where we're going to be pulling the water out of. And then you're going to put your other hose that you're going to use to water your plants. Put that on here like this. And we'll plug it in so you can hear how loud this is. This may the first time need to get primed. Sometimes they do, so we'll find out. So you might have to prime it the very first time that you do by just filling this up with water. It's not something you have to do every time. But it's primed. Let's see what kind of water we get. Pretty good. Let's go water some trees. It's really quiet. It's got a really low decibels. I can tell. I can't tell you specifically what it is, but it's really quiet. And this is putting out a pretty substantial amount of water. This would actually work great if you're going to have a fountain, like in a pool or a lake, to be able to shoot the water up to a fountain. It would work really well for that.